Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to go over how to connect your Stripe Connect account to your Gavel account, and this is separate from the integration that is now legacy where it allows you to do Stripe paywalls. This is referring to when you go to bundles and you want to create one that is a flat rate paid bundle. This section here where it says please complete Stripe onboarding, we're going to go over this piece here. So all you need to do is say click here. And what you're going to do is it's going to allow you to save your bundle. It's going to do that automatically. Then it's going to send you over to get started with Stripe. So if you don't already have a Stripe account, then you need to create one. And if you have already created one, we're going to go ahead and sign in here. So in my particular case, I'm just going to use this one here where I'm going to sign in and use my password as well and log in. You'll be needing to verify your login, so you might be sent some kind of two-factor authentication. Once you've indicated whether you'd like to create a new business or use one of your saved methods, you're going to be sent to this optional one, which is showing customers your climate commitment, so you can set a contribution or you can say no thanks. Once you've reviewed all of your information, you just agree and submit once you've made sure all of your different pieces of information are correct. Once you do, you'll be sent back automatically to the bundle that you were working on. And now when you say flat rate, you'll be able to add a payment step because now you're all connected through your Stripe account. So here, if you want to add a payment step, you're going to say add payment step, and then you can say exactly where you want this payment step to go. So this can be before the beginning of workflow 1 or before the documents are generated in workflow 1, workflow 2, or workflow 3. So you can be really precise about where this goes. So before beginning workflow 2, for example, and we can give it a price. So let's make this $250 in US dollars, for example. So we can add another payment step. So we can say before they begin workflow 3, I want them to pay another $250. We can finalize this bundle and we're going to be able to see that the total price for this bundle is $500. So when we run this, we can see that it's 2 payments with no hidden fees for $500 total. We can see the details and where payment is required, and we can say start bundle. Once you do, you'll be able to start your session and you can see where payments are required, and the person can go ahead and start this particular bundle. So let's take a look at what it looks like for the actual payment page. So I'm going to go ahead and complete this information. It's going to prompt me to return to the bundle overview. We need to buy the next workflow because that said beginning before you actually start. So I can see $250, workflow 2 push test, and I can pay with a card, US bank account, Cash App Pay, or Google Pay. Let's say I do a card. We can add this information here, and then the person can go through and pay for their bundle. Once they've paid, they'll be able to move on to that particular workflow. Once they've completed that workflow, in this particular case, they'll be prompted to pay before the third workflow as well. But you can see that this particular one is required to be done in a particular order, so they're not allowed to skip ahead. So the next step that they'll go through is to buy the next workflow. So you can see that each one is labeled by free access, payment required, and in this case, payment required. So this is really an exciting way to connect to Stripe Connect through your Gavel accounts so that you'll be able to have these legal products available for your clients and users at a flat rate. So I hope this was useful, and I'll see you in the next video.